Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is the 68 Mustang Convertible. It's got a 5-liter motor under the hood, and you are gonna love checking it out. It is one beautiful color, one of my favorite colors. This maroon has got a light metallic in it, and it is popping, man. All the chrome's looking sweet. This thing has been completely restored, air conditioning. You are gonna love checking it out. She is gorgeous. Magnum 500 wheels. All the body lines are looking sweet. All the trim's looking good. Check out the interior on this beauty. Gorgeous carpeting, gorgeous door panels. She is a beauty. Good looking center console. Seat belts in the front and in the rear. You can check out several pictures of it with the top up. The top is white on the car. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. There'll be over 100 pictures of the car on our website. You can see the dash, all the chrome looking sweet, all the lenses on the gauges looking sweet. Dash pads in beautiful shape. I just love this color. Now any car that we have that's this maroon color with a metallic in it never lasts long here at Vanguard. One of the most popular colors out there. We've got some extra speakers here in the trunk. The spare tire even has the Magnum 500 wheel on it. Look down the side of it, straight as an arrow. Beautiful body work on this car. Really talented painter did the body work on this car. Just beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this little Mustang. Right now we have a little over 200 cars in stock, and we're bringing in about 40 new units every month. So make sure you keep an eye on Facebook and our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We've always got new inventory coming in. Now, Tommy can answer any question about this car you may have, because one of the first things we do when we get these cars in is we get them up on the lift and we inspect them so we can answer any question you have. Now, I've got a lot of experience in the industry, and I'm gonna use all of that experience to help you pick out your dream car. All right, here we go. Mustang Convertible time, guys. Favorite color, favorite car, and the top goes down. Sun shines out, let's go to the beach. Let's get some ice cream. Let's do something fun. Let's go to a car show. We got the Dream Cruise coming up, guys. Let's go cruising. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you. We make it nice and easy for you. All you have to do is make that phone call. Tom will take care of all the rest. If you do need help with financing, we will take care of all that for you. All you need to do is make that phone call, and everything is taken care of for you. We park this dream in your driveway. All you gotta do is have the fun. Now we're gonna take a look down here on the dash. This Mustang is absolutely gorgeous, and these babies are hard to find. Everybody drove the crap out of these babies. Look at this thing. Gorgeous down here on the dash. All the stock gauges. We got center console. It's got an aftermarket stereo in it. Looking sweet. She is a beauty, guys. Now we are very close to the airport here in Detroit, so if you'd like to fly in and check it out in person, we would love to meet you. In fact, we encourage you to come on in and check out this car and the rest of our inventory. We've always got new stuff coming in. Not many Mustang convertibles. They are hard to find. Like I said, most people drove these things into the ground. To find one in this kind of condition, very, very rare. So call Tom today and he will park this dream in your driveway. Now stick with us because we are about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this beauty up on the rack so you can see just how nice the bottom is. Then we're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that 5-liter motor making the power. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Mustang investment. Now here's our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna put it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Mustang convertible now, and it is pretty under here. You can see jet coated on the exhaust. The tank has definitely been restored. Spring pack's definitely been restored. Drop downs look great. We got a Ford 9-inch rear end here. All the brake lines look like they've been done. We do have disc brakes out back here. I'm gonna have to check my notes here because I forget the rear end ratio. 355 gear in the rear end here, and it is a Posi. They even jet coated the Flowmaster mufflers here. Frame ties on the frame, which is very cool. It looks like we got new fuel lines running front to back here. They've painted up the drive shaft. The bottom side's been done with like a bed liner material. I can see it's had some floorboard work done. They did a real nice job welding everything in and coating it all up, looking real sweet. New cross member here. It's got an AOD transmission. That is a 4-speed automatic. Torque boxes look solid, looking good. We got power steering here, jet coated headers. Up front here, we got disc brakes. The guys will go through the suspension, make sure it's in good working order. The ball joints were replaced at one time. They're definitely not original. We got a big sway bar up front here. Everything's nicely coated under here and nice and clean. Beautiful build on the car. Good looking tires, great looking wheels. Every Mustang should have Magnum 500s on it. Best looking wheel on the planet. We got two 35/60 15s up front. As you can see, the bottom side of the front fender's looking good. That pinch weld's also looking good. Nice and tight, looks good. Out back here, we've got two 35/60 15s, and again, Magnum 500s looking good. Wheel wells also looking good. Nice and clean there. Love the color on the car. And that rocker molding really sets off the car. Looks great. You can see brand new bolt here in the spring too. So more than likely when they had those spring packs off, they put new bushings and new bolts in there too. Well, let's get under the hood, see what's making power. All right, under the hood here, we got a 5-liter Mustang motor here. It's a 91 or newer motor. Very, very cool for this car. Power brakes, power steering, air conditioning, everything under here is nice and clean. You can see they painted the firewall, they painted the inner wheelhouses, shock towers are solid as a rock. Everything under here is nice, neat, and clean. Bottom side of the hood's painted. They even got the turn signals all hooked up here in the hood, man. The car is amazing, guys. The top goes down. It's a beautiful color. It's been updated on the motor. She's beautiful. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.